Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Bluesea 39 Feet Chimney Sweep Kit. A top-notch ergonomic chimney cleaning solution designed to extend up to 39 feet. This latest generation kit boasts a robust chrome button locking system, ensuring that the rods remain secure during both clockwise and counterclockwise rotations, minimizing the number of connections needed and significantly reducing your cleaning time. The premium chimney brush is crafted from strong nylon with sharp-edged rectangular bristles, enhancing efficiency, while the flexible rods are made from chemically resistant nylon, ensuring durability and corrosion resistance. Easy to assemble and disassemble, this kit effectively removes soot and creosote buildup from various pipe shapes and sizes, helping to prevent dangerous flue fires and improve fireplace efficiency. The comprehensive package includes 12 flexible rods, a chimney brush, gripper gloves, a heavy-duty plastic sheet, a collection bag, a metal drill attachment, a hex key, an instruction manual, replacement bristles, cleaning sponges, a cleaning brush, and dust-proof goggles. By keeping your chimney clean, you not only ensure a safer home environment but also save on professional cleaning costs, making this kit an essential tool for any homeowner. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.